Alright, hopefully you caught that sickly sounding whistle he's got. Go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you see it come around the bend. You'll probably notice it's wobbling a little bit as it goes. A lot of these have off-center drivers. A little bit of an issue they had with these guys. Let her go around again here and we'll call it a night. So, as always, uh-oh. Well, we'll just have to mess with that later. I don't know what's going on with her. So, at any rate, as always, thanks for watching, and I appreciate it very much. And check out any videos, ask any questions, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Figured I'd add on a little quick second here where show her running. Not sure why I quit running there, but it's some reason that I guess it got hung up on the turnout, but everything is a-okay. So I'm gonna come around here again. Got a little worried there for a second, but you know how it is.